Welcome back to Blender Bytes, where we showcase fundamental Blender concepts in bite-sized pieces. Filling a mesh with random objects is quite simple with geometry nodes. Start with a new collection and add any objects you want to it. I'll add 3 primitives for this example. Next, add a mesh that you would like to fill with your collection objects. I'll use a cube and start a new geometry node setup, first converting my mesh to a volume. Next, we'll distribute points into our volume and instance onto those points. Instead of using a single object for our instance, we'll drag out our whole collection into geometry nodes, plugging into the instance's socket. Check Relative, Separate Children, and Reset Children on the Collection Info node, and make sure you check Pick Instance on the Instance to Points node. Set your scale however you like, and you can also randomly scale and rotate your instances. This works with any amount of objects as long as they stay within your selected collection. And congratulations, you've successfully filled a mesh with random objects.